today's lesson, we're looking at these problems on trigonometry. Before I start with the solution, I would like to say happy Salah to my fans, friends, and families. But please, if it's your first time of coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to receive any update about my next video. Let's start. Now, the first question says we should find the value of x. Now, I would like to bring out this diagram back here. Okay. Solution. I have my right angle triangle, which is this. Okay. Right angle at this point, and I have 45 degrees here. I have x here and I have 4 here. For us to be able to solve this problem, okay, we need to identify the sides. The sides are number 3. Opposite, hypotenuse, and the adjacent. Now from this is my opposite, this is my hypotenuse, and this is my adjacent. Please, if you are not clear with the way I label the side, kindly refer back to my videos on trigonometry. Okay, start from the beginning so that you understand the basic behind this trigonometry. Okay, so that is why you need to follow me up on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is x. So this is the opposite, hypotenuse, and the adjacent. Now our target is to find the value of x, right? Since x falls on the opposite side, which is x, then the hypotenuse is 4. That means that there will be a connection between the 4 and the x, which is the hypotenuse and the opposite. That is why we need to go back to SOHCAHTOA. It's also part of my last videos on trigonometry, of which I explain everything. So, and TOA. So this is the only one that connects hypotenuse and opposite. So we are going to be using SO, which is sine theta is equals to the opposite all over the hypotenuse. Okay? So my theta refers back to what? 45 degrees. So when we replace, we have sine 45 degrees is equals to the opposite, which is x, all over the hypotenuse, which is what? 4. So the next thing is to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will have x equals to 4 multiplied by sine 45 degrees. Okay? And of course, sine 45 degrees is 0.7071 because it's a special angle. Sine 45 is just by saying 1 divided by root 2. So when you evaluate this in calculator, you will have 0.7071 as in decimal. Because I can also take this back to our ZOD form, but there is no time for that. Okay, ZOD is another topic on its own. So I will have just, I did one video on ZOD where I saw some questions on ZOD. That's why my channel is very important for you to note. I used to join everything together that will not make you have any challenge while solving any question in mathematics. Okay, so but I'm going to take that on ZOD too. I'm still going to solve questions on ZOD. No question, or I even take it from the beginning. Okay, so that's for you to get a clearer picture of what we are doing. So, but for now, we are on trigonometry. So that's why I'm taking it back to what? Decimal. When you multiply this, you will have x will be equals to 4 multiplied by 0.7071. So by multiplying these two, you will have x equals to 2.8284. Yes. So if you approximate this, you can have it as 2.83. So there won't be any unit because this guy does not have units. So you are not meant to put any unit here. Okay? I believe we are okay with this. Now, let us solve the second question. Permit me to use, okay, never mind. Let me use this side, then I clean after that. So let me just transfer this diagram up here. So diagram up here. So this is diagram. This is at right angle 9, and this angle is 30, and we have to find k. So now the same thing similarly to what we have done now. The first thing is we identify the sides. Okay, so the sides here we have the side of 9 to be the adjacent. This is the adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse, and this is the opposite. Okay, so there's a connection between the hypotenuse, we are looking for the value of k, and adjacent. So we also refer back to SOHCAHTOA. So the only one that connect the hypotenuse and the adjacent in SOHCAHTOA is just simply what? K. So that is why we are going to have it as cos theta is equals to the adjacent all over the hypotenuse. So again, theta is also equals to 30 degrees. So when you place this here, you have cos 30 degrees is equals to the adjacent, which is what? 9 over the hypotenuse, which is what? K. So from there, when you cross multiply, you will have k equals to 9 divided by cos 30. Am I correct? Okay, so please follow up. So this is 9 over cos 30. So this is going to give you 9 divided by cos 30. From special angle is simply root 3 over 2. So k will give you 9 times 2 all over root 3. Because I don't want to take it back to Zod, I can convert. That's 18 divided by root 3. And square root of root 3 is 1.732. So this is going to give you 18 divided by 1.732. So when you divide this, you should have 10.39 as your final answer. So therefore, we can also approximate k can be approximated to 10.4. So the answer to k is 10.4 and the answer to h is 2.83. So that will mark the end of today's class. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. And don't forget, please, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if it's your first time. Leave your comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next class. Bye for now.